Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can apply an e-visa to Cuba on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Cuba e-visa site. When they have given the information that what you need to apply for the visa, passport, your email, and you will receive a response within 72 business hours. Okay, so that you should be careful of. If you're traveling to Cuba by sea, please contact our consular office. Okay, fine. Now when you're coming here for the first time, and in order to apply, you can click on new visa apply, country where you are applying. So I'm putting sample, but you do as per your case. Okay, I select India. Payment, how you're gonna use, so you're gonna transfer to this. Okay, and then once you do that, you need to, of course you will have receipt. Continue. Okay, so that consulate that was selected where your application will be processed. Okay, now again you need to select your nationality, passport number. Just sample guys, of course I won't be submitting the application. Then next is so I submitted sample surname and given name, but you do as per your passport, otherwise there could be issue. I selected a sample date of birth, gender, phone number, okay, and email too. So I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna tap on next and I'm gonna show you the next screen. So now we came to the second page where some details are here. Now you see that how much money is required, okay, and if you want to add more people, you click on add another. So suppose you are a family, husband, wife, couple, you are going together. So let's say one starts this, then add another, and then once you are ready, you can go to the next. Now here you need to provide the receipt. So they have given that where you can do the transfer. So in India, like you can use your net banking to transfer the money on this branch, and then you can need to attach the receipt, screenshot you can say, of your transfer, and also they're going to verify. You can also walk to a bank branch and do, but who does that nowadays? But anyway, once you are done, you can click on upload file and go to the next section where they will ask you to upload your documents like passport, okay, so that they can start processing your application. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.